also known as Felicia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So if you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that little red button and clicking the notification button, so every time I upload a video, you guys can know to come and see me that I have a new video up. Well, today it's a Rae Dunn haul and more. I like to kind of show you guys everything I get during the week, and for Christmas and the holidays, it's usually like I'm hoping for Rae Dunn stuff, which I do have, but I also get other stuff as well to decorate with. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with Hobby Lobby. And about Hobby Lobby, y'all, I love Hobby Lobby, but they do the same Christmas stuff every single year. It's like the stuff that they have is the same stuff I see year after year after year. They really don't change it too much, especially like the cocoa bar stuff, because for the last 3 or 4 years, it's been the same cocoa bar stuff. So I decided to check them out, to check out their gingerbread stuff, which was really cute. But for the style I'm going for this year, it's way too whimsical for my style. I like it. I'm gonna put gingerbread things here and there. I just don't want too much going on with it. So I'll just show you what I got. So I picked up a couple of signs from Hobby Lobby. One says Love and Joy, and it retails for $3.99. And this was at Hobby Lobby. I also got the Ho Ho Ho, which was $2.99. Uh-oh. And the Joy, which was $2.99. And all these were 50% off. I also got Oh Come Let Us Adore Him. And this was $5.99 and 50% off as well. So all their Christmas signs were 50% off. As you can see, I didn't get a lot because last year I went ham. I have so many signs from last year that I still have to go through them. I had to get stuff that I knew that I didn't already have, because I hate repeating stuff. Okay, let's get to Target. So at Target, I got some Halloween candy. I'm gonna show y'all my candy that I got. Well, that I had, because I got the Dove dark chocolate, and this is my favorite candy. It was like $1.99, and it's just like little pumpkins, I guess. They're green with little pumpkins on them. Thought they were so cute, and they are so good. The Dove dark chocolate. I had and I bought these today, and my son and husband got a hold of these Reese's pumpkins. And I think they were like $1 and some change, probably $1.49. But yeah, I got these for them because they love Reese's, and me and my son love candy corns. I love candy corn. I should have put that on my video. This is like one of my favorite candies, and they're mini, so they're little bitty. So that means they're less calories because they're little bitty. But I can't eat as much because y'all know I'm on a weight loss challenge for 21 days. So this is day 3 that I'm filming. It's a Sunday, and I got to get out there on the elliptical and work it out and leave my little candy corns alone. I might have a couple of bites though, because you know. Okay, enough about that. Now I'm sorry, that's part of my Target. And also from Target, I got 2 signs. One that says North Pole Milk and Cookie Company. See that? That's cute. And it says Baking Santa's favorite since 1954. It matched my color scheme perfectly in the baking theme. So I'm sure I can find somewhere to put this one. Really cute. I also got Made with Love Mrs. Claus Cookie Company. My colors as well. I don't have to do anything to this sign, but put it up. And that's what I'm going for this year. I love to DIY, and I did DIY something because I went to Pier 1 this week, and I love Pier 1. It's one of my favorite stores. I just spray myself. Anyway, I love Pier 1. It's one of my favorite stores, and I wanted these matte black chargers, like plate chargers, and they had them, and they were like reasonably priced, like at $5.96 or $4.99, something to that, like $5. And I was gonna get 6, but she only had like 3 left. Now I went, mind you, I went 2 weeks ago and they had a bunch, which I should have got them then, but I didn't. I waited, and I was like, no, let me go ahead and get them. So I was like, okay, I want to get them, and she only had like 4, and one of them was scratched, and I would have to go to another. And I was like, you know what, I'm not doing all that. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is make my own black chargers for less. So if y'all ever shopped at Dollar Tree, they have these chargers that look like this. They're gold, really pretty. Like a brushed gold. I bought these last year, and they had them this year in my store. So they're these. So I purchased these chargers, but like I told you, I wanted them to be black. So I spray painted those a matte black, but I kind of dusted them with the black because I still wanted the gold to come through a little bit. Y'all can see that? So it was just like a shh. That's it. So I didn't like try to get full coverage on them, and it is a matte flat black from, can't think of it, but the regular spray paint people. I can't think right, y'all. I didn't even get it, but I'll post it below. But yeah, I just got a flat black paint and spray painted them, and it did take me but a few seconds. So these chargers, they were $1. I bought 6, so $6 for chargers compared to paying that price for just one. I'm always trying to save a coin. Y'all know me, I'm trying to save my coins. Okay, next, is this cool also? We're gonna get into this Rae Dunn tea, okay? Can y'all say corrupt? Yes, I said it. Rae Dunn is corrupt, y'all. It has corrupt some people from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. I have heard so many stories of people that have relationships with people that work there, whether it be their mother-in-law, their sister, their cousin, their brother, whoever, that is helping them get this stuff. That is so corrupt. And supposedly they will get fired if, you know, they're caught or whatever. But this has been going on for a while, y'all. It's just now that Christmas has hit that it's become quite apparent. Okay, because I was on Macari. Tell me how somebody gets 20 red birdhouses. Where do they do that at? It's either an inside job, and I know that they can't be getting it off of TJ Maxx online because everything I put in my cart is kicked out. But that's a whole nother video, because I really believe that they have like what you call them, bots that go in and order, and that's why you can't get your order in, and that's why it's hard, because the bots they run like a background program. Anyway, I have my own conspiracy theory about that too. But I know for a fact in stores, some managers will call people and let them know, oh, I'm getting ready to put this done out, or they will wait for people to get there to pull carts out. And I also know some managers that collect as well. I'm not saying they're dirty, but I know stuff comes in even numbers like 2s and 4s, and I be seeing 3s and 1s. I'm just saying. So somebody has touched it before it's come out. I've also heard of where people have gotten stuff from the manager, like snuck stuff out, checked out with stuff hidden in the coat, and then checked out and got the stuff. Yeah, I've heard like all kind of stories. People be coming to me with all kind of tea. I can do Rae Dunn tea. I've heard so many bad stories, but there are good people, honest people, and if it's meant for you, you will get it. I truly believe that. So enough about this tea. Let's get on with this Rae Dunn haul. First, I'm going to start with the things that my Dunn Buddies gave me, which was very nice. I got this joy, which I purchased. My Dunn Buddy didn't give me this. I purchased this joy. I was in the store minding my own business, taking my daughter to driver's class, and I said, you know, there's a TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go over there just to look around. was not in the mind for hunting at all. But of course, I'm a natural hunter. I walk in, this lady has a basket full of joy. So I said, oh, those are nice. And I kept walking. Well, as I was walking through the store, she found me and says, hey, I'm gonna put some of these back. Do you want them? And I was like, huh? She says, do you want one? And I'm like, sure. So I took one. That's how I got joy. End of story. Not even trying to hunt or you want, yeah, lady, I'll take it. So I think what's meant to be will be, and those are facts. This is what my Dunn Buddy gave me, ho ho ho. My Dunn Buddy gave me this like 2 weeks. She bought this like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. She's been having this for a long time, and I haven't had a chance to meet up with her. And y'all, I have another ho 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 coming. So that sounds like it should be a giveaway on the way. What y'all think? Since I have two, I'm just probably gonna give one away. How about that for a giveaway? I didn't realize I had two, but I got two. Until she gave me my bag of stuff today. And she also had Fa La La, which I remember she had this one, but I didn't remember she had this one. Anywho, but yeah, Fa La La, which I'm loving this. It's really cute with the red interior. And I'm so over mugs. Can y'all tell I'm over mugs? This light is kind of washing me out. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just really over mugs. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the one last mug that my Dunn Buddy gave me, which I love the way this mug feels. It's just like velvety smooth. It's called Self-Made, and I like the feel of these. But yeah, I like the feel of these, but I haven't bought many of these because I'm trying to get away from all these mugs. I want some canisters. I want some white canisters. I want gumdrop. I want peppermint. I want the white ones. What y'all think? But at this point, it's a dog fight, y'all. I'll take what I can get. So if it's mugs, then I'll get mugs. Let's start with, I don't know, I got so much deliciousness here. Do you follow me on Instagram? If not, you need to follow me on Instagram at Ebony Butterfly Wings. I showed y'all that I had got something in the mail, and no, it's not a birdhouse, sorry. But it was something that I ordered and I love. And y'all all know that I'm a plant mama, so I ordered this one. Beautiful. I'm gonna put this Christmas tree in this. I can't wait. I'm excited. It is gorgeous. Red. I love the red. Try not to get so much red, but it be calling my name, y'all. It be calling my name. When I was at HomeGoods, I went, and I love HomeGoods Ribbon. I know. And they have the red ribbon with the stitching. So I went and got 2 of these, and I wish I would have got more. But y'all, look at all the ribbon on here. It's 25 yards of ribbon. And for Christmas time, I got 2 yards. I got 2 of these at $3.99, which is a steal. I love HomeGoods ribbon. Like, I think that's like the best kept secret is HomeGoods ribbon. It's like unique and not like everybody else's. So yeah. It's called Jingles and Joy, and yeah, it's 5/8 and it's 25 yards, and it's the stitching like Rae Dunn, so I thought that was so cute, so I got 2 of those. Okay, and also while I was at HomeGoods, was not planning on it, not looking or hunting hard. Y'all, when I am hunting hard, it's like I can't find anything. When I just say, you know, I'm just gonna chillax and not even think about it, I found this. It's milk with red. I don't know, it's $19.99. I think it's a return. I think it's too much, but I went on and took it. Milk. I think it should have been $14.99, but somebody got over. That's all right. Yeah, milk. Because I didn't realize that till just now, y'all. If y'all could look at this beat up, look how this beat up this is. They peeled that off and put that back on there. Hey. Did I get this at Marshalls or HomeGoods? I got this at HomeGoods. Why has it got this Marshalls? Can you take stuff back from HomeGoods to Marshalls or Marshalls to Home? Don't know. But I got this at HomeGoods. No, I got this at Marshalls. I sure did. I got this at Marshalls in by my house. I got that at Marshalls. Same deal. That Friday, this was Friday, I went to go meet my Dunn Buddy to pick up some things that they had got me, and she asked me, did I have Merry Christmas? And I was like, no, I'm good, because I'm thinking she's talking about a mug. Okay, this is my I'm like, I'm good, I don't want no more mugs. So I walk into the store and I look in her basket and I see this. And they point to where it was located, and I passed it. I was like, I don't see it. They say, you passed it, it's right there. So I was able to pick up Merry Christmas. So now I have Santa cookies and I have Merry Christmas, which I'm very excited about, because I did want more canisters, but now it's time to get the white canisters, okay? That's what I'm looking for, on the hunt for now. And after I left my Dunn Buddy, I went to go and, you know, hunt. I said, well, I'm gonna go hunt and go to this other one since I still have some time. I was on my lunch break, and I walked into, again, Marshalls, and on the tank I saw this. Y'all, I had seen this in the new releases, and I didn't, you know, think too much about it. I thought it was cute, but now with milk and cookies, oh my gosh. I like the carafe as well. I think it's beautiful as well. So yeah, that is my haul. Thank you guys for sticking with me. If you're still watching it, please subscribe if you enjoy the content in here, and let me know what your wish list is. Let me know what y'all think about this milk. Very interesting. Let me know what you think about this milk. And that's it, guys. I appreciate you, and y'all have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Happy hunting. Bye.